Welcome to Tell Me More, the audiobook show where we squeeze an entire book into a 5-minute smoothie of wisdom, wit, and just a dash of sarcasm. Because who has time to read when your attention span is shorter than a TikTok dance? Whether it's self-help, sci-fi, or that one classic you pretended to read in school, we break it down, shake it up, and serve it to you with zero spoilers and plenty of sass. Think of us as your book club's cooler, more rebellious cousin, the one who skimmed the book, made a meme about it, and still had the hottest take. And hey, if you're enjoying this chaos disguised as culture, smash that follow button on all the socials. We are talking about Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, MySpace. Okay, not MySpace, but tell me more everywhere else. Follow us or risk sound like you have never heard of that book. Now buckle up, Brainiac. Your 5-minute literary roller coaster is about to begin. This is Tell Me More. Welcome to The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Over the next 5 minutes, we will distill 48 timeless strategies for gaining, maintaining, and wielding power, drawn from history's greatest courtiers, warriors, and statesmen. Listen closely, and you will learn how to navigate the hidden currents of influence that shape every interaction. Part 1: Foundations of Power. Laws 1 to 9. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Always make those above you feel superior. Draw attention to their strengths, never your own, and you will rise under their shadow. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Cloak your true goals behind decoys and fiends. By keeping rivals guessing, you control the game. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Visibility equals power. Whether through mystery or spectacle, ensure you stand out in any crowd. Law 9. Win through your action, never through argument. Deeds bind more firmly than words. Demonstrate your point rather than debate it, and people will respect your power without resentment. The first 9 laws teaches us to shape perceptions, build mystique, and avoid direct conflict, laying the groundwork for influence. Part 2: Forming alliances and securing position. Laws 10 to 18. Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. The more others rely on your skills or resources, the more secure is your position. Law 13. When asking for help, appeal to self-interest. Explain how assisting you also benefits them. Altruism alone rarely moves the powerful. Law 15. Crush your enemy totally. Leaving no room for retaliation ensures your safety. Mercy can breed rebellion. Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Surprise your rivals with unexpected moves. Fear paralyzes more effectively than brute force. These laws emphasize strategic alliances, eliminating threats and maintaining leverage, essential steps to fortify your power base. Part 3: Maneuvering in the Shadows. Laws 19 to 27. Law 21. Play a suckers to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Feign ignorance to lull opponents into complacency, then strike decisively. Law 23. Concentrate your forces. Focus your resources on a single objective. Diffusion leads to weakness. Intensity breeds results. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Do not accept static identity. Continually evolve, reinvent your image to match the needs of the moment. Law 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Tap into hopes and dreams. Offer simple answers to complex questions, and followers will rally to your band. In these middle laws, Greene guides us through deception, focus, and the art of shaping devoted followers, allowing influence to flower quietly beneath the surface. Part 4, Mastering Emotions and Building Presence. Law 28 to 36. Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. By envisioning each possible outcome, you guard against surprises and ensure a clear path to victory. Law 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Identify people's insecurities and desires. Leveraging these soft spots grants you subtle control. Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Carry yourself with dignity and confidence. If you demand respect, it often follows. Laws 36. Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. By turning your back on what you cannot attain, you diminish its importance and hold power over your own emotions. These laws teach emotional intelligence, strategic foresight, personal branding, and the management of desire. Part 5, Advanced Tactics of Influence. Laws 37 to 45. Law 38. Think as you like but behave like others. Mask your true opinions to avoid alienation. Blend in, then influence from within. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Value comes with a price. Offerings that seem costless often come with a hidden strings. Law 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Neutralize powerful individuals to disrupt opposing networks. Law 45. Preach the need for change but never reform too much at once. Change threatens stability. Introduce reforms gradually, so people embrace them before realizing they have been reshaped. Here, Green deepens the psychology of power, revealing how to manipulate group dynamics, exert moral authority, and implement change on your own terms. Part 6, The Pinnacle of Power. Laws 46 to 48. Law 46. Never appear too perfect. Flaws humanize you, display a minor weakness to disarm envy and foster trust. Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aim for. In victory, learn when to stop. Excess breeds disaster. Consolidate gains, but never let success turn into arrogance. Excess breeds disaster. Consolidate gains, but never let success turn into arrogance. Law 48. Assume formlessness. Like water, adapt to any container. Rigidity invites attack. Flexibility ensures survival. These final laws teach restraint, adaptability, and the wisdom of subtlety, the hallmarks of true mastery. Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power offers a stark mirror to human nature, sharp, unvarnished, and unapologetic. Whether you embrace this strategy or use them to defend against others, understanding the anatomy of power is indispensable. Power is not only what you have, but what the enemy thinks you have. Thank you for joining this 5 minutes exploration of the 48 Laws of Power. May these laws guide you to your ambitions and illuminate the hidden rules of every arena.
And that, my friends, was your 5-minute crash course in literary greatness. You just became 37% smarter without even cracking a spine. You're welcome. If your brain enjoyed that snack size story time, imagine what it's like being subscribed to Tell Me More. You will never need to lie about reading again. Follow us everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Heck, if you see a pigeon flying with a QR code, that's probably us too. It is at Tell Me More on all the socials. Because we are modern, mildly unhinged, and fully committed to making you sound way smarter than you actually are. So, subscribe or be doomed to nod silently at book club forever. This has been Tell Me More, where books meet brevity and attention spans come to thrive. Until next time, go pretend you read it.